Grace Day. Do you know I share a lot of birds when I go to my same class? So today let's go for bird watching together. Stepping out of my house, we see rooster, the red jungle fowl with white ear patch. Sometimes the bird owner let the parakeets play outside. Let's count the parakeets together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parakeets are playing outside. Once I spotted a hornbill resting on the tree. My father quickly took a picture of the hornbill. As we continue our walk, we see house sparrow, myna, and rock pigeon. Please do not feed them. At the nearby tree, we might see white cockatoo squawking happily. At my swim class, we might see more roosters and hens. Oh, it's my swim class time. Off I go. Thank you.